Hey guys, how you doing? Bill here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a virus from your computer, and it is 100% free. It doesn't take anything but a little bit of your time. I'm going to go ahead and dive right into it. So first, what you're going to want to do is make sure that if whatever antivirus you have currently installed on the computer, if you're watching this video, obviously was not effective in protecting you. Um, or if this actually was the Windows Defender has tools to help its own program. So if you're using Windows Defender, that's great. If not, if you're using Avast, Norton, or McAfee, or any of those free antiviruses or Malwarebytes, I'm going to have to ask that before we proceed that you go ahead and uninstall those programs because they are going to interfere with the process and they will conflict with Windows Defender. And if you have multiple antivirus programs installed, so if you have multiple of any of the ones that I just named, Avast, Antivirus, Pando Security, there's a ton out there. If you have multiple of those installed, Malwarebytes, you want to make sure you remove them because they will conflict with each other. And I just like to go ahead and say that the virus removal process I'm about to show you works much better in conjunction with my cleaning video, and it is the same process that I use. I'll go through and clean a computer, and then I'll go through and do the virus removal process. It is the same exact process that I use on my customers' computers. Everything I'm showing you here is nothing that's too niche for the business. So what I'm going to show you here, we're going to go down to the left-hand corner where it says Type here to search. Just left-click in there. You're just going to type Defender, or you don't even have to fully type it all the way. And then we're going to go up into Windows Defender Security Settings here, where it says System Settings, Windows Defender Settings, and left-click that. It's going to take you to this screen. And then we're going to go up to where it says Windows Defender Security Center, and we're going to left-click that as well. We're going to go over to Virus and Threat Protection, and then we're just going to go ahead and do a quick scan. Now, I recommend that if you honestly believe you have a virus or something is blatantly telling you have a virus, the best process to do, but it is very time consuming. I'm just going to cancel this, but this will take some time. The best process to do is instead of doing the quick scan, if you want to make sure everything is cleaned up on your computer, go ahead and head over to the advanced scan and make sure that's on full. Make sure this box is checked and it's on full scan. Then go ahead and hit scan now. Now, the only downside to doing this, aside from removing a virus from your computer with absolutely no cost to you but your own time, is that it's extremely time consuming, and in some cases I have seen it take almost an entire day before it finishes. So if you want to do this on something that's more convenient for you, I'd say try doing the full scan like just before you go to bed and let it run overnight. But that's the Windows Defender process. Now I'm going to show you what a lot of people don't know about. Once we close that all out and you have your full scan going, you don't want to close the full scan window. You want to leave that full scan window open for the duration that it's going. I'm just setting it aside so I have a clear screen here to demonstrate the next process. The next thing is something a lot of people don't know about, another program that actually comes with Windows Defender, and it has been an effective program for a very long time. So go down to that search bar again, go ahead and left click in it, and just go ahead and type MRT. And you're going to get something that's going to come up that says MRT run command. Now MRT stands for Malware Removal Tool. We're going to go ahead and left click that. And once this pops up here, go ahead and hit yes. Give it admin privileges. And this is just all a bunch of noise here. If you want to read it, it's basically just saying you to make sure that this doesn't replace your antivirus, because this malware removal tool is not an active protector. It only runs when you run it. So that's why you use it in conjunction with the Windows Defender. So to using this tool is very simple. It works in the same way that the Windows Defender does. So just go down here and click Next. And like I said, if you are 100% sure that you have a virus, or you're getting warnings, or you have some warning signs, I'd say do the full scan. This works in the same manner. Probably it's going to take most of the day. So once you get that full scan going, I'm just going to do quick scan here just to demonstrate, but go ahead and let that quick scan finish. But it's that simple. It's a 100% free. It's programs that already exist on your machine. You just have to know when and how to utilize them for the most part. I should also, it goes without saying that as far as viruses goes, it's kind of give or take, and in some cases, if you have a very nasty virus, you may need to get a fresh install of a computer, in which case I'd say, consult an IT professional. If going through this process of cleaning up your computer and running these antivirus programs that exist on the machine do not solve your problem and you already have paid for antivirus or existing antivirus, I'd say go ahead and consult an IT professional. But a majority of the time, what I just showed you works very well. for my customers, and very rarely do I actually have to go through the process of reinstalling an entire machine just to get rid of a virus. Very rarely. And I get rid of it with the process that I just showed you in conjunction with my cleaning video that I also have. But that's about it. If you have any questions, go ahead and feel free to comment, and I'll answer them as best I can. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.